COVID-19 has changed our lives. We are forced to live through lockdowns, under curfews. We are forced to stay home. We are required to use masks, to wash hands repeatedly, to observe social distancing, to be apart from our family. We face a socio-economic crisis. Some of us have lost jobs. Some of us have reduced salaries and incomes. Some of us have less food on our tables. Some of us have given up on future plans. Some of us have to brace longer to be on the path of a smooth life. And some of us have lost dear ones. But we have to be hopeful. We have to be positive. We have to be optimistic. The loss is huge. It needs time to heal and repair. Yet, we have reasons to be positive, hopeful, and optimistic. We are grateful. We are blessed. We are privileged. We have homes to live in. We have people to talk to. We have food to eat. We have eyes to see. We have ears to hear. We have tongues to speak. Our hands open windows for us to peek the beauty of nature. Our hearts beat. Our brains think. The sun still rises. The moon still shines. The stars twinkle studding the sky. Winds are still blowing. Flowers are still blooming. Water is still running. Birds are still chirping. Life is beautiful. It is beautiful in itself, and it is also beautiful on its own. It is enough. We have to live this beautiful life after COVID-19 is over. We will add money and fame, wealth and social contacts, businesses and high-profile jobs, future plans and travels, shop for clothes and jewelry, luxury cars and expensive cell phones. But all this needs life to survive and continue. The wisest thing is to praise life and to save life and keep hope. Keep hope in the heart and thought, in the body and mind. Survive and then thrive. Put a hand on your heart and say, I am privileged because I am alive. I am rich because I have food on my table. I am grateful for being protected. Be safe, be happy, be positive.